Hello viewers, let's make independent and unique your desired animated subscribe key in PowerPoint presentation. This is very important for new YouTuber and to avoid dependency on others ready-made software. So first open PowerPoint presentation, then right click, select new slide and remove these lines. Click it and select delete key from your keyboard. Now the slide is clean and once again on the slide right click and click format background. Now go to colors, open it and select green color so the background color is now green. Now click on insert and then click shape or open it. There are a lot of shapes, so choose the best one. I click this one. Now drag and hold and finally release it. Now right click on the rectangle or button and click in edit text. Now write your channel name and select the text. Now go to home. You can change color, font size, italic, bold, whatever you like. Let me change the font. Now let's get it bold. Once again, click on the new animated key and on the right side, click on open or click this line. Now no line. Now we have removed the borderline of the animated box or animated key. Now click once again and solid fill and choose a color, preferably red, so your key may become more visible. Now click on this box and click animations. We will first choose appear, so you can just click it or go to the other side and click add animation. And when it opens, so you can see appear. So let me click it. Now click animation pane so we may see all our animation. Now once again, click the text box button and click again add animation. Open it and now scroll down to more motion paths. Click it. When it opens, there are a lot of paths, so you may check one by one. So choose anyone and then click on OK. I choose this one. Now second animation has been complete. Now click on it and drag it to the other side so the animation path may gets a little longer. Once again, click on the newly made button and then go up, add animation, click it or open it and now come down to more exit effects. Open it. Now you can see a lot of effects: diamond, disappear, dissolved. Choose the one and click on OK. Now all our three animations are ready. We will now change the timings. So click the first appear animation and down arrow appear, open it and click timings. It's already on click, so it's fine. Now click on effect if you would like to add sounds. And now in front of sound, open the box and select any sound you like. Now click OK. And once again, go to the second animation, click it, and when this down arrow appear, come down and select start after previous. Also do the same to the next one, or simply click the third animation and click on downward arrow. If you would like to bring more changes, then click on effect options. And now timings and effects all are in front of you. So let me open the box in front of start and select after previous. You can also add the voice by clicking effects in case if you like. Now our animations are complete. So simply click play all button and you can see it. Now let's have a full screen view. Now let me click it and let's click. It's in front of you. Your independent subscribe animated key has been prepared. Now if you are using MS Office 365, so simply click record and make a video or use your screen recorder, whichever you use, and your subscribe animated key has been prepared so you can use it in your videos for displaying name of your channel in more attractive way. Thanks for watching.